Host, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an electrifying comparison for you. We're going to pit two light bulb security cameras against each other and see which one shines the brightest. On the left, we have the LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K, and on the right, we have the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera. Let's shed some light on these products and find out which one is the brightest star in the security camera sky. Host, when it comes to video quality, both cameras offer impressive features. The LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K boasts a stunning 4MP HD resolution, delivering ultra-clear image quality day and night. But hold on tight because the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera takes it up a notch with 2K HD color night vision and their exclusive Magic Pix technology. It's like having your very own movie studio lighting up your home. Host, now let's talk about capturing the big picture. The LaView camera offers a 360 degrees panoramic viewing angle, ensuring there are no blind spots in your surveillance. But wait for it, the AlkiVision camera not only covers a wide area but also features a 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt, giving you comprehensive protection for your home. It's like having a security guard with eyes in the back of their head. Host, when darkness falls, you'll want a security camera that can still see what's going on. Both cameras offer impressive night vision capabilities. The LaView camera comes equipped with advanced starlight night vision, providing full-color video even in low light conditions. But the AlkiVision camera takes it to the next level with their AI motion detection analysis recognition and improved night vision technology. It's like having a superhero with night vision goggles protecting your home. Host, setting up a security camera shouldn't be a hassle. The LaView camera offers easy wireless installation using Wi-Fi connectivity and an E27 light bulb base. It's as simple as screwing in a light bulb. On the other hand, the AlkiVision camera takes a similar approach, but with a twist. Just plug it into a standard E27, E26 light socket, download the Vico Home app, and voila, it's like connecting the dots to a secure home. Host, now let's shed some light on the additional features these cameras bring to the table. The LaView camera offers motion detection with tracking alerts, customizable sensitivity, two-way audio, and a 110 decibels alarm siren to deter intruders. Plus, it's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for convenient voice control. But wait, the AlkiVision camera doesn't back down. It also offers motion detection with motion tracking alerts, AI motion detection analysis recognition, two-way audio, and multi-device and user share capabilities. It's like having a full-blown security system at your fingertips. Host, and there you have it, folks. We've compared the LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K and the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera. Both cameras bring impressive features to the table, but it's time to reveal our winner. Drumroll, please. Drumroll sound effect, host. The winner of this electrifying showdown is, dramatic pause, the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera. With its 2K HD color night vision, AI motion detection analysis recognition, and comprehensive protection features, it truly shines brighter in the security camera sky. But remember, the best choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Host, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more smart buying tips. And as always, stay smart and buy smart.